Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for you, the best Sarah Sanderson skirt you can find anywhere. Get ready to dive into the details of this stunning piece. This vintage tie-up ruffled long maxi skirt from Belle Poque is truly a sight to behold. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this skirt is perfect for those who want to add a touch of Renaissance elegance to their wardrobe. Let's talk about what sets this skirt apart. First off, it's incredibly versatile. With two unique ways to wear it, either as a cape or a wrap skirt, you'll have endless styling options to explore. Plus, the lace-up waist adds a touch of Victorian charm, while the asymmetric design with ruffled edges creates a bold and eye-catching silhouette. Made from a blend of 55% polyester and 45% polyamide, this skirt is as comfortable as it is stylish. And when it comes to care, it's a breeze. Simply hand wash it in cold water and avoid using the machine to ensure it stays looking its best for years to come. Now, let's talk about when and where you can rock this skirt. Whether you're attending a steampunk-themed party, a Renaissance festival, or even a Halloween bash, this skirt is guaranteed to turn heads and make a statement. It's also perfect for cosplay, stage performances, or any occasion where you want to unleash your inner rebel and defy conventions. So there you have it, folks, the best Sarah Sanderson skirt you can find. Whether you're a fan of steampunk, gothic, or Renaissance fashion, this skirt is sure to become a staple in your wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy shopping!